I'm dog. Who are you? People who thought differently were called traitors, worms, dogs. From an article in the New York Times on the fallout of the Khmer Rouge and the Cambodian genocide. 1. Once in a hospital waiting room with my father, another child kept turning around to look at me, singing ching, chong, chow. His tinny song went on and on. I did not know how to react. Ignoring the boy did nothing. My first response was to bare my teeth. Bark, bark, bark. I grinned wild-eyed. The boy hid. My father stared. 2. When my children were younger, they used to scream, terrorized, running in the opposite direction when a dog walked by. In Cambodia, they once feared Vak Dumak, one with the gun, coward who killed millions, his own people. Words were used as knives. Children would turn on their parents. The wrong sentence was a life sentence. 3. Pressing my whiskered face to theirs, my children need my fur in their tiny hands. I'm dog. Embrace my dogness. Are you dog too? Thank you.